Hello there, welcome back to Elsa Island. Abatan Sheriffdeen here. In this video, I would love to show you how to get rid of annoying error messages in your data sets with the if error statement. So the if error statement is an excellent tool to eliminate annoying error messages like the NA error, the div 0 error, the ref error, and so on. So if you're not familiar with the error messages you can get in Excel, you can check out this video at the top right hand corner here, where I talk about the most common error messages in Excel and how to get rid of them. So back to the if error statement, which is very useful for front end formatting, like when you're looking at your data set in real time and you're seeing error all over the places and you love to get rid of them, then you need the if error statement. Also, you may need to categorize the data consistently whether you are seeing an error message or not, which we can also talk about when you are working on a data set, a numerical data set, and you love to perform statistical analysis on them. When you're having an error messages, it's always good to replace those error messages with 0. I assume 0 is the best, or with any other number you may like, so that you can perform statistical analysis of functions on that particular column or data set. So syntax wise, the if error is quite simple: equals if error value, comma, then value if error. So the value is the formula of value that may or may not result in an error. The value if error is the value you want to return in the case of an error, which you can also customize the value if error, the value you want to return. So I'll show you how to do that. So post it here. I always want you to write the full formula first, then wrap it with an if error statement. So without further ado, let's jump into Microsoft Excel and let me show you how to use the if error statement. But wait, if this is your first time on my channel and you love to be a Microsoft Excel pro with straight to the point tutorials, consider subscribing to my channel and turn on the notification bell to know when I drop new content. Thanks for subscribing. Hi there, so welcome back from the short break. So here I am in Microsoft Excel. I have a very simple data set here that we've been working on in our advanced Excel formulas and functions. You can check out the playlist for other amazing advanced Excel formulas and functions. You'll notice I have an error message here. I have 1 year, 1 year, and 1 year. And this is due to the fact that I have an error message from the onset of my data, this temperature column. There's an error message there, and this affected other columns there when I use formula on them to calculate this column here. So to get rid of that, I'll just wrap it up with the if statement. Since I have the formula already here in my formula bar, we'll go to the beginning. This is what I mean by quote tip. So add your formula in first, then you wrap it up with if error. So let's do that. If error, here it is, boom. So we come back, this is the value. So this is all my rows, all my formula. So value if error, since this is a text column, I'll just replace that with a custom text. I just want others, since we have yes, no. It doesn't really make sense replacing that with a no or any other, so I'll just prefer to replace it with other. If it's you can replace with any other statement in there. And I just click enter. You can see here we have order here, which is much more better than an error. I'll just apply this formula down, boom. So let's check. So here I have an NA error, I have order. I'll replace that with the if error formula. Let me just scroll down so you can see other columns, other cells. Here we have an error message here. You can see the other error message here. We have order. So let's just do that for the remaining column, just so we can sure this formula is working. So let's do that for this column. I'll just come back here, equals if error, I'll come with that. then order, let's replace it here. Let me just say order also for the sake of consistency, and we are good to go. Enter, go. So if I just apply this formula down, yeah, so it's working fine. Fantastic. So there you have it, how to replace annoying error messages with the if error statement with custom values. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, share the information so that others can learn about the if error formula, and bye bye. I'll see you in my next video.